Craig and Matt rock your mornings.
So ABC and People Magazine got together, did an online poll of your favorite movies of all time. Just favorite overall.
Everything.
Favorite comedy and favorite sci-fi were the three categories. And then they put together a poll and asked the question, your favorite top movie lines of all time.
He's looking at you, kid.
I'll have what she's having.
I'm going to make him an offer again with you.
Go ahead. Make my day.
Red, you go. Where shall I go? What shall I do?
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
Number one of all time, Gone with the Wind.
It's classic.
Yeah. Most disappointing in that they missed the all-time greatest line ever in a film.
2, you still owe me another month's rent. So if I were you, I would start doing some tongue exercises before Friday.
Your home of killer classics and the best new rock all day long. We are Canada's rock station, 95.1